Are we live? Are we live?
Given the green light, we're live.
Yeah, where's the green light?
Got a red light. I think that might be Ed's not saying something. Red light flashing.
Has he managed to not swear on any of the lives?
I've been very good.
Seen that thing where Josie Reed said, I prefer not to speak? That's my view on it.
It's my new sign in the office. I prefer not to speak.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, so I think we are. Should we ever get going then?
Yeah.
So it's end of day 3 at Intersec. So yeah, just going to kind of quickly recap on the show. For me, without doubt, it's the best exhibition I've ever been to in my career. Hands down, amazing organisation from Intersec. Thank you very much from Intersec for allowing me to speak in the Fire Forum. So that's been absolutely fantastic. And without a shadow of a doubt, just an amazing show. I think it's been, without doubt, it's our best show we've ever had.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. I think we've seen some fantastic customers, fantastic future customers from all over the world.
Yeah.
And yeah, no, I totally agree.
I think the other thing that's definitely worth a quick mention is a thank you to absolutely everyone. Obviously, it's a new year, but we're definitely still kind of thinking about what we achieved last year. There's some great content that has come out and will come out around what we've had last year, and what's coming this year.
Yeah,
but a massive thank you to everyone from the team that's not here, and a massive thank you to customers that have joined us, prospective people that come to the stand, and certainly from my side, all the new suppliers that have joined us this year, suppliers for the machines, for the new machine shop. A huge amount of work goes in behind the scenes, as everyone knows. But it's just, for me, a massive thank you for that side. And the products as well speak for themselves, just the continuous development.
Yeah, I think it's so exciting now. You've got the machine shop up and running, and you're in control. So, it's quite hard being over here, not seeing it like every day, because I want to be seeing it every day. But yeah, it's. I think I just want to mirror what you said about the team back in the UK, marketing team, you guys.
Yeah,
thank you.
They're hiding behind the camera.
Yeah,
as usual.
Do you want to turn it around so everyone can see?
Yeah.
No.
Behind the lens for a reason.
Is that why?
I've had to smile for 3 days on the straight. I got jaw ache.
How did you get on with? How did your talk go this morning?
Yeah, really well. Yeah. So obviously tried. It's always a difficult balance when doing the presentations, whether it's you can go very much into the complex side of it, which is a trap that you end up just alienating the audience.
Yeah,
and then
definitely. Yeah,
for
like
me,
the one after.
Yeah, nearly. And a striking balance of not it being too simple. So just kind of showcasing real life examples of fires. For me, I don't like the way, especially the industry kind of hides behind fires, not showing people what real fires look like, how systems work. Approval testing, that's our style. We like sharing this information. The more we share it, the more likely people are to be engaged in the fire industry.
Yeah, agreed. I think that, that's what I love about the openness of what we do. And what I've really enjoyed actually is people, I don't know if I mentioned to you, some guys came on yesterday as they walked up to the stand, they were like, finally, Reacton. And it's like, I think that...
is that a benefit for the marketing team for doing well, or have they had to search and do a treasure hunt to find
Well done, marketing team. Again. Hopefully they're listening back in the UK.
Yeah.
I think that's it. It's nice to kind of, and again, this team's fantastic. Nice to spend some time with you over the last few days. And yeah, it's just I love the buzz when the team's together. I think it really does. It does. The culture of the business is what we set out for the business to be, isn't it? And to bring it over from with Scott. Yeah, we're live, Scott.
You can Scott's hanging around on the corner of the camera. From
all the countries, and our customers I think the customers that are here are so mirrored to our values as well.
And I think the big thing for me that we've seen this year is some amazing additions to the team. And what I like about what we do is I don't think many people kind of come out of university or school and go, I'm going to go and work in fire engineering.
No.
But by bringing excitement to the products, by showing, you know, what we do, the fire testing, we've attracted
and the culture
some,
in our team. Yeah.
and we've attracted some incredible people in the business. You know, the drive to transform this year into a real scientific business.
Yeah.
That enables us to differentiate the products, go into different bespoke applications, and now obviously we can do our own R&D, do our own machining, do everything in house.
Yeah.
So,
and we've got some incredible people lined up for the future, haven't we? Which is going to be really exciting.
It's really good. Yeah.
Really, really exciting. So yeah.
A little bit more disruption this year. So yeah, it's good. We're really happy with it, and I think we've really got our pace, a nice groove, and hopefully we get a really sustainable progression like we've had this year with approvals, products, and obviously the manufacturing and quality. So
yeah. I think maybe just to remind potential distributors that are thinking of contacting us, as you can see from the last few days, we're very approachable. We can answer any questions that you've got if you want to become a potential distributor from anywhere in the world. I think that's just important, just to remind people that, you know, we've got a great sales team that will get back to you and answer any questions that you've got. So yeah, I think it is what's the time? Nearly 5:30 on day 3, Thursday evening in Dubai. So my brain sort of switching off.
I didn't bring my trainers to put my trainers on.
No, and I put shoes on today as well on the last day. That was incredible. That was clever.
Awesome. I think that's it really from us. I think it's just, again, thank you to the team, thank you to the guys behind the camera. It's been a real different way we've done it this year. He's actually smiling behind the camera now. So
he doesn't smile very often either.
I'm not going to we won't embarrass him anymore. But from us, that's over and out, and there'll be a load more content if you follow the page that's kind of not gone live. There's loads of content coming about different topics, the approvals we've gained and are gaining, and
we've got two very big exciting announcements to make. We were hoping to announce them at the show, but some of these things don't quite. They take a little bit longer, right in the last sort of, you know, the last 10% of the approval. So, but that will be really, really exciting.
Yeah.
And
absolutely.
Yeah. So I think one, as you just touched on, please follow Reacton, the page. You'll get all of the updates. You'll get all of these videos that we'll really be releasing over the next couple of months. And from me, thank you for everyone that's watched the R Talks live.
Yep. Thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you very soon.